Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift card on One4all. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in one4all.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official One4all website from which you can redeem your card by simply clicking on the check balance button. Go ahead and click on check balance and you will be asked to enter your card number and your ID. You can simply enter your card number followed by the 3-digit CVV or enter your card ID. After entering both of these details, click on the check balance button and now you will be asked to log into your account. Just proceed with your email address and your password and then click on the login button and now you will see the redeem button for your One4all card. Go ahead and click on the redeem button and then enter the redeem code within your gift card and click on the redeem button once again. And now your gift card will successfully be redeemed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem your gift card on One4all. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.